Hello, I'm Kristi. Welcome back to my channel. I am continuing my easy summer recipe series with a pizza grilled cheese sandwich this week. Ingredients will be listed in the description box below, and I'll also have all other recipes from this series linked if you'd like to check those out. This is a super simple recipe. Make sure if you're not already subscribed to go ahead and click the button below. I'd love it if you would comment and give me a thumbs up. Okay, ingredients consist of your favorite bread. Texas toast would be amazing with this recipe also. Mozzarella cheese, I prefer shredded because I feel like it does melt faster. I use pepperoni in this sandwich, and turkey pepperoni happens to be our favorite. Choose your favorite. And also marinara sauce. If you have not tried the one from Aldi, you really need to. Okay, today I'm using the cobblestone bread. This is the $1 Million white bread. You could also use Texas toast. That would be amazing and probably the perfect thickness. Our butter of choice is Country Crock, but use yours, and you're just going to want to butter the side that you're going to be putting into your skillet or onto your griddle. This is the same process that you would use with any grilled cheese sandwich. I happen to be meticulous with my butter and like it on all the corners, and I don't like to miss any spots. I like to add just a little bit of garlic powder to the buttered bread before I put it in the skillet, but you could also use some Italian seasonings and that would be great also. Start out with a hot skillet or griddle and put your bread buttered side down. Next, you're going to add your mozzarella cheese. I always have shredded, so I use it, but it would probably be a lot easier to use sliced mozzarella cheese. Then I put down marinara sauce. This is my absolute favorite of all time. It is from Aldi, and it's only 99 cents. I keep several bottles in my pantry at all times. After marinara sauce, I add pepperoni. Again, I'm using the Boar's Head turkey pepperoni. Amazing turkey pepperoni if you've not tried it. This bread is rather large, so I add 6 pepperonis, but on normal slices, it only takes about 4. Add as much as you like. Last but not least, I add more mozzarella cheese. Now repeat your first step. Just butter your toast and place it on top of the sandwich that's in the pan. Did I mention we were garlic lovers? So I go ahead and sprinkle the top of this one with garlic powder also. Yes, it would be easier on the griddle, but I am still so intimidated by that thing. I have not touched it. I know, sad but true. And that's it. I told you this recipe is super simple and Briley loves it, as do I. I usually cut it in half because it's just easier to eat. Plus, I wanted to show you how ooey gooey this thing looks. And that's all. Serve the sandwich with your favorite sides. We usually add fruit and chips. And here is Briley enjoying her pizza grilled cheese sandwich. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and check the description box below. I have several links down there you might be interested in. And if you try this recipe, let me know what you think. If you'd like to stick around to the end, I'm going to have some footage of my crazy animals. They have been acting up today. Mittens, the new cat, is outside and they have just been wild. Quincy. It's okay, Mirtat. It's okay, baby. Don't say that.
Cat. She's not happy. He scared me. Feel my heart.
This is how I'm woke up every morning. Quincy is on my chest wanting me to rub him. And of course, my neighbors 2 houses over have decided to build another house onto their property. So there's gonna be that noise too. I forgot where I was at. So I know I threw you for a loop last week. No. So I know I throwed, no. Blech. So I threw you guys for a loop last time and again, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it more than you know. I hope everyone's having an amazing day, and until next time guys, bye.